Case Blabag, open racing game changer. Jam squeak out of the gate, moving up Mika now for the outside and followed by Pinay Beauty, Papa Eaton, J. Jiwala. While Orkis Tower is running in the tail of the field, out straight they travel. It's Mika leads Balang, followed by Papa Eaton. And runabout will turn this game changer. 2 lengths back, Pinay Beauty, moving up J. Jiwala. And Loki's Tower, who's still running in the tail of the field, midway down the backstretch. It is still Mika leads by some 2.5 now, followed now by J. Jewel, not the outside, Papa Eaton. Inside the last 600, Mika being joined by J. Jewel. And 4 lengths back, Papa Eaton, Game Changer, Pinay Beauty and Loki's Tower. Inside the last 300, Game Changer, Mika fighting it out for the leader. As they swing for home, Game Changer, Mika is running by Mika, Game Changer on the outside. Oh, runner J. Jewel. It's still Mika, J. Jewel on the outside. And finally, Mika, J. Jewel, Game Changer, Papa Eaton, Loki's Tower, and Pinay Beauty.
Alright, so it's not an easy task for Patty Dilemma on Mika dahil nagbigay din ng magandang